Hey folks, what's going on? This is Wesley billion dollar Virgin with another video where I'm going to show you right now, and I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day, okay, by uploading images, and you get paid every time a person like you watch the video. So this is what you do. Step one, go to google.com. Can you do that? So you might want to relax and do this with me right now, okay? Go to google.com and type in something like this. Dogs, okay? Dogs, all right? Then you go to images, because on the website that I'm getting ready to show you, every time you upload images, and when a person look at that image from the site, they're gonna pay you money over and over again. If you watch to the very end of this video, I'm gonna show you a cool autopilot way to do this, okay? Is that cool? So you can start going to Miami, baby, and quit that job, man. Job sucks. I hate jobs. I can't stand jobs. So listen, so you go to a site, google.com, and go to dogs. You see all these pretty dogs? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna download these pictures. Now listen, now this is very important. You cannot download images of dogs of other people because of copyright protection. So what you do is you go to settings here, and then you scroll down. Oh, I'm sorry, you go to tools here, and you go to usage rights, okay? Commercial and other licenses here, okay? Makes sense? So once you do that, all these images here you can basically use, okay? Does that make sense? These images here, you can basically use, all right? And what you do is you just download about 10 to 20 images, okay? So you may want to do it now. I'm not going to do it with you. Go ahead and just right-click, screenshot, and download about 10 to 20 images. Does that make sense? Because basically, now that's crazy, I know, but on this website, they're going to pay you every time a person view the images, okay? So when a person see it, they pay you. When a person see it, they invest in you and they pay the money now to you, okay? And the great thing about this, I believe it's worldwide. Can I get a like because it's worldwide? Let's go! Okay, now check it out. So, once you have the images, just make sure the images that you use are free and they have no licensing attached. If you go to Google, you go to Yahoo, just make sure you find videos or, images here on the website on Google or Yahoo.com that you can get images basically for free, okay? Does that make sense? All right, so now let me go back here. Now the name of the site where you want to go to right now so you can start earning the money is ClickASnap.com, I believe. Here we go. Let me see, did I get that right? So go ahead, go to that website right now, ClickASnap.com. This is the world's largest free-to-use pay-per-view site that many newbies, if you're a beginner online marketer, go to this site to start making money online. Now listen, I have many different ways that I show people every single day how to make $1,000 to $10,000 per month. And listen, I will leave a link to that training below. But honestly, what I want you to do first is learn how to make money, right, without spending too much money in the beginning, okay? Because why? I want you to understand that it's real. Look at me. It's real. You can do it, okay? So you sign up for free. Now, this is the trick, okay? Because you might be thinking, okay, Wesley, first, how much money are they going to pay me? Well, easy. They're going to pay you 15 cents every time a person basically views your image, okay? Now, I know that don't sound like a lot of money, but I'm going to show you a cool autopilot way to get this done on autopilot. And I know I'm moving around because I'm excited, baby. Let's go! Okay, check it out. So, you go to the site, it's going to pay you 15 cents, and go ahead and smash the like button because I'm going to give you something that's going to blow your freaking mind, baby. Check it out. So, sign up for free, and then once you sign up for your free account, you're going to go back to the main site here. You go to Marketplace. Now, it's important if you want to start making the money, you want to make sure that you upload images in every category, okay? You see where it says featured categories here? Okay? You see where it says featured categories? That's where you want to upload 20 different images of animals, 20 different images of coastal nature, street photography, people, space, render. Does that make sense? And once you start to do that, right, then as people go to your image, right, on ClickASnap.com, you'll start getting paid 15 cents every single view, okay? As a matter of fact, let me show you another site that you can go to. Here's my Instagram account. If you ever want to follow me, I do these free videos all the time to show you how to make money fast. Go ahead and smash that like button because I'm getting ready to give you a website. Look, I want to give you massive value and I want to be very transparent. You don't have to pay me a dime. Just go to Fiverr.com, okay? And find somebody on this website right now. Pay them 10, 20, 80 bucks or whatever, and they'll do it for you. And listen, in life, you don't get what you want out of life. You get what you picture. If you want your life to be better, you have to picture a better life every single day. Listen, I can talk about making money online. I can give you strategies all day long. But until you start to picture a better life here in your mind first, your life would never change. You will keep watching videos like this and you won't take action and your life will continue to be pathetic and sorry. Listen, you were born with greatness, but greatness is cultivated. You have to work, you have to take risks, you have to sacrifice, you got to be enthusiastic, you got to be positive, and sometimes you have to tell yourself, let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let's go!